Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the all-new 2021 Ford Bronco Sport Outer Banks Edition. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Oh yeah, so you can open the glass or the full door. That I like a lot. On the glass as well, you can see from the inside there is a Bronco with a surfboard by the rear wiper. See it over there? Right where the rear wiper arm is, right below it is a Bronco with a surfboard. It's one of the many Easter eggs in this vehicle. 1.5 liter, 3-cylinder EcoBoost engine, 8-speed automatic. Total price of $35,880. Oxford white over ebony roast leather trim. Yeah. Love the Outer Banks logo. Super nice vehicle. Oh, please, it's cold. Oh. Nice sunroof. They did such a nice job with these. And for those of you who are like, oh, it's just an Escape. No, it's completely different. Driven both today, actually back to back. It's not even close. Sport, Eco, Normal, Sand, and Slippery. We'll be driving in Sport. Going right into drive. Seats are nice and soft. So is the steering wheel. Visibility is phenomenal. Reminds me very much of the Jeep Renegade. I was hoping that would be a little bit slipperier, because I have the intelligent four-wheel drive system pulled up so you can see what wheel's getting power when. It is a front-biased all-wheel drive system, unlike the Explorer, which is rear-biased. These are just a ton of fun to drive. Top of the line is the Badlands trim. That comes with a 2-liter 4-cylinder, whereas everything else, oh, ow, that hurt, is the 1.5 3-cylinder. Still has a good amount of oomph, but if you need that power, then go with the Badlands 2-liter. Guess Popeyes is getting busy. Went there for lunch today, and it was not that busy. change the goat modes over to normal. Suspension doesn't really change. Steering weight is a lot lighter though. That I noticed right away. I think I just heard a Lambo. Nope, it was the C43. So you know what I can do? Nice little snowy slope right here. Goes up and over with no issues at all. But I am on pure ice right now, I can already tell. Come on, baby. It is absolutely beautiful in these tight little turns. It's just overall an amazing package. Personally, I would go with the 2-liter. Find the 1.5 down just a little bit on power. But think about the stuff I've been driving. You know, Edge ST, Explorer ST, Expedition, F-150, all stuff with a lot of power. So I probably should have filmed this at the beginning of the day, but we're here regardless. This actually, we have a little bit of an off-roading course right here, so you can go ahead and check out how it does over this snow. Actually very good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.